got this rainbow shisha. I already filled this until center. Do not fill it until the top. Alright? I already filled it until the center. And now I'm going to show you how to fix the rainbow shisha. It's by BURJ KHALIFA. So before you buy any shisha, you have to know that you have to buy a charcoal, a couple of flavors. As you like, I mean, if you want to buy one flavor, you can buy one flavor, or if you like to mix, you can mix flavors as well. That's not a problem. And this specific shisha comes with a box, and I'll just show you what's inside the box.
Open up, you OPN, bitch, you want BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya.
Okay, aside from the main shisha, you will get the tube. You'll get the covering of the shisha inside. Along with this, there's an extra place where you can put the charcoal and the other one as well. So we have two of them in the box. So one is an extra one. You can use later on if you break this one. You get a pipe along with it. Just keep it aside. Keep this aside. And aside from this, we have the LED. I don't know if you can see it. This is the LED. You have to switch it on and off from here. Battery operated, it goes on, you can see it, and it goes off. But you turn it off on the clock. You get it with the remote. So I have already filled this, as I told you before. Do not fill with water until the top. It has to be until the center. So fill it up until here. Approximately, I'm also not sure how much it's supposed to be, but this is the turning point over here. Then, first things first, you have to fix this tube where you can handle the charcoal, right? And this is the tube which goes inside. There it goes. That's about it. Now, depends upon which flavor you like. We have to go. Which one do you want? One melon? Or do you want to mix melon and mint together?
Yeah.
So we have like lots of flavors over here. We have got strawberry, we got double apple, we got mint, and we got melon over here. So I don't know. People say that this brand is a good brand, and they are very famous, an Arabic brand. Yeah. So let's see how it goes.
We'll show you the details below.
Yeah, exactly. Can I have a foil as well? Don't get this one. This is the flavor going inside. You have to scramble it. Do not, scatter it. Do not put too much. It depends upon how much do you want and how long do you want to smoke the shisha for. Let's say 1/3 is enough for, since we are going to be adding two flavors, so we're going to be putting 1/3 of each. Now I'm going to be adding mint. This is mint flavor. Please make sure scatter them. Do not keep them together, because you will not be able to taste them. Make sure if there are two flavors, you're mixing them together. Alright, start it enough. Make sure when the holes up over there, make sure they are open. So keep the center open and keep the flavors on the side. But make sure that they are not stick to each other as a stone. They're scattered, well scattered. Alright, and I guess that's it. We'll fix the pipe and then we're ready to go for the shisha. Oh, sorry, we forgot the coal. So let me tell you what kind of coal is much better. Go for the magic coal. People say this is a magic coal because once you light them, it gets hot very fast. So
We'll try about it.
yeah. Okay, this is the charcoal. Since this is the first time for me to open this kind of charcoal, I guess one is enough to add in over here.
Show me, babe.
I guess it's quite big and fits over here very well. So one is enough for one sitting. Probably this would be good for half an hour or so. Better to get the whole box because we got a very good deal on this. There are like probably around 10 of these sachets. Alright, let's fix the pipe and ready to smoke. This end, the other end is closed. Alright, as I was telling you that you would be requiring to put the foil on top of it. I mean, that's totally up to you because we already have this piece of glass. Right, it's made of glass so it won't burn. And we can put the coal directly on this if you want to save your glass, since we are already having two of them. So you can go with the glass without the foil, or you want it with the foil. It's totally up to you, but don't forget, if you're using a foil, make holes on them on top of it. Alright, this goes here on top of it, and we'll heat the coal and put it over here, and then we are ready to smoke.
One, two, three.
Babe. What is it called? The Rainbow Shisha? 3. We need a mic also. Shisha's ready. Drinks on the bottom.